Segura 1124 house is located on a 165 square meters lot on a narrow and busy street in Argentina in a low-density residential area undergoing transformation and densification. A municipal particularity of the lot influences its design, aiming to avoid affecting the block's core in the last 2 meters towards the rear of the lot. As a result, the layout frees up space at the front of the lot for vehicle storage and clears the rear patio to form the required block core as mandated by the municipality. The building consists of 2 units totaling 156 square meters, 1 unit of 68 square meters, and another of 75 square meters, plus 13 square meters of common areas. The 2 functional units each include 1 bedroom, plus an office or a room that can be used occasionally as an additional bedroom. Screens are used to add texture and light to each space, while also providing privacy and security to the front facade of the apartments. A staircase and metal walkway are designed as attached, subtle, and light elements that contrast in texture and expressiveness with the materials that make up the structure. This approach, which seeks to express each material as it is, challenges superficial ornamentation and ensures that each element justifies its presence. A reinforced concrete beam on the facade frames the entrance, supports the coverings that protect the walkway and stairs from sun and rain, and supports the mezzanine corresponding to the second unit. The set of beams, coverings, walkways, and stairs borders a green space that acts as a transition between the exterior and interior, the urban and the private. Exposed raw concrete without additional treatments, combined with brick used in various ways, results in a stripped-down, minimalist aesthetic. This house incorporates essential elements such as a relationship with green spaces, privacy between units, and the integration of light and flexible spaces. Each unit has its own outdoor area. Green spaces were created for both apartments. The lower one has 2 private gardens, while the upper one achieves privacy towards the front with a flower bed beside the bedroom that allows nature to be integrated into daily life. This house invites consideration of life in relation to the city. Just across the street is access to a network of bike lanes that connects the entire city. These buildings are designed to integrate with the urban fabric and what it offers.